Hey guys, I made a trip to Nigeria and that is what I'm going to show you in this video. Welcome to Lagos, Nigeria, but I am not going to Lagos. I'm not stopping at Lagos, rather. I'm going to the south part of Nigeria. So welcome to another vlog. So already you know what to expect. This place is called Ore in Nigeria, in Ondo State, Nigeria. Is a stopping point for all travelers, no matter where you're going to. As long as you're using that route, you would definitely, there's 99% chances that you will stop here. The vehicle will stop here for you guys to relax a little bit, like eat, buy whatever you want to buy, or refresh. Basically, that is what we did before we continued the trip to Asaba, Nigeria. Yeah, you guys, I'm not from Asaba, but I lived here, and then there's something I applied for, but I did it in Asaba, and that is why we are here. Welcome to
Hey, morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. It's raining. Welcome back, and thank you for. I'm looking for a perfect angle. I can't find any. It's still kind of dark, so the camera is safe. It's giving me the dark vibes. How you all doing? Welcome back, and thank you for clicking. Right now, I'm in Asaba, Nigeria. Starting my first errand of the day for today.
So the first place we are going to the main place that brought me here. So after that, before we go to the bank, from the bank I'll go to the market, because as always, anytime I come here, I like to buy soups.
I wanted to use this pedestrian bridge to cross.
I like things that I use in Accra that I buy from the Nigerian stores, and I always complained of them being expensive. Coming here is cheap because, of course, buying direct from Nigeria. The people selling at Accra, they buy, they import into the country, and that is money. So I always understand when it is expensive. So that is that for today. Okay, yeah, I wanted to cross this road using the pedestrian bridge, but
What is the pedestrian bridge? Beautifully built. Lovely. But people are not using it. I don't know why.
Me, why can I use the pedestrian? They were like, don't go there, don't go there, just go use the cross here. So that was why you saw me running, like my life depend on it. We have talked about this before, even though it didn't go down well with some people. That is the reality of life in my country. We are always up and going, and if you're crossing the road, you have to be very active, be serious about it, because the person driving, you don't know where they are. Maybe they may just be in a hurry, and they are not going to wait for you. You know what I mean. So welcome to Access Bank, where I'll be doing transaction, and then from here I'm going to check up on someone at Nnebisi Road, and then from Nnebisi Road in Asaba here, I'll be going to Ogbogonogo Market. Guys, there is no how I will come to Nigeria and I'm in Asaba and I don't go to Ogbogonogo Market. It just simply means I've cheated myself, because the things I will pay so much for, I'm going to just end up buying them for almost nothing. This time I meant to buy Goldimon and I did. So good enough. I'm not carrying too much that would disturb me at the borders when I get to the borders, because of the quantity that I'm buying. I'm not buying much, just enough for the household, for our personal use. So the immigration always know these things. When they see the goods you are taking, they always know if it is for sale or for personal consumption. So they know that. So I'm not bothered. I always like to buy. So here is Attraction Boutique. The owner of this boutique has a very big presence here on YouTube. I like to go there because sometimes they are doing sales. This time I went there to check and see if they are doing sales. Unfortunately, they were not, so I left because I didn't have money for clothes. I didn't have extra money to spend on that. So I'm just in the market buying look cool. Soup included.
How you doing?
Are they fine, ma? Good morning. Longest time, oh.
I know, I
Hey, I
did.
can't date. I say whether I go see you so.
Ah, now they look say no be you dey.
This one now, how much?
That one 350. How your baby now? You don't broke.
I don't even get another one.
Like
But we
they
know they Asaba again. I just come to do something. I say make I buy.
You know that's about
Hey, we dey Ghana.
Ah,
Right.
you don't leave your career and go.
No, I continue, but not be film like that. And they do something else. The same thing, video, but not be film.
Go.
Thank you, ma.
I cannot see you.
I
I
know
don't take
they're
time.
around.
Find you well.
I know they're around. You know, I mean, everything I do.
So my love. But I know when anything where they do for this life, God they.
Yeah, that's it.
Last.
Last, this one 600.
Now that one they talk. They point to. You said this one call.
That one 25.
Mommy, they tell me 2,000 that time.
Every time. That one up now.
This one call.
500.
You don't say this one 600. Eh? 600 for this.
Last 700. Last time. This one 6 last. 5 last.
How much? I get Maggi chicken. No. How much? What of beef? Oh. Give me one of them. The buying continue. You'll be hearing 1,000, 5,000. Don't be worried, okay? Our money is not. I don't bully you.
See, I missed you. I'm not.
See her. She's looking older than me.
It's not like that. It's not like that. It's just that where I come from, the weather is harsh compared to where.
All right, so that is my best friend, and we grew up together. She has been my friend since we were kids. I cannot remember when. Like, she has been my very good friend. If you know me, you know her. If you know her, you know me. Like, we are like that. Yeah, so she came all the way from where she's doing her youth service in Abia to meet me here because we have not seen since I moved with my kids to Ghana. The last time we met was okay when I went to pick up my kids. We saw each other. What happened? I don't know. I could not upload that video up till now. I think I have that clip, but then, so when she heard that I was coming to Asaba, I said, okay, why not come? Let's meet there, and then we met. Do the remaining part of the shopping together. This market is a very big market, so the parts I'm showing you are just the one I could get to. It's a very big market. It is called Ogbogonogo Market in Asaba, Delta State of Nigeria. All right, so the buying continues. I just basically wanted to buy as much as things I know there is nothing I can do but buy them when I get to Accra. I decided to spend like 300 cedis at this place, yeah, which is exactly 20,000 naira. See, and I think I bought like a Ghana must go feel of stuffs, which if you want to buy Nigerian food items in Ghana, in Accra to be precise, you cannot spend that amount and get that much. So, and these things, I'm not going to pay for them for at the border, so why not? They're for personal use. Yeah, so this is it. We arranging my stuff into the bag. Oh my God, it's so good to be back here, and always I love Asaba so much. It's that part of Nigeria that I've lived in that I so much love, like loved. So getting back here and reuniting with all the people that I used to know, except of course I couldn't visit my landlord and his family. So, but then it's one town that I love a lot. Okay, whenever I come back here, there's always something or two to be done. Okay, in case you do not know that most of the Nollywood movies that you see, they are produced here in Asaba. Yeah, when you come to Asaba, you can just become a movie star overnight, trust me, because they may be looking for an actor, and the actor will disappoint, and if you're available and you're ready and you're good, they will put you. So if you want to act movie, the fastest
Then
place
they
to
can
get
suffer.
it done is Asaba.
You don't know that I'm suffering.
Don't be treating this thing
like
by the
this.
roadside. Don't be cleaning like that.
For the man, leave me alone. Everything the way I
Oh gosh, meet best friend. They hold me. This is my best friend. Why is my life like
Are
this?
you?
They hold me like this.
Me that is managing
They
you.
hold Lily Ogini like this. People they fresh for you service. Your own you they go you
I dey
service they go.
suffer. I dey suffer. Pressure.
Why?
Pressure.
Why are you suffering? How dare you?
Like, why am I not suffering? There's no other hello from anywhere. 5 naira.
I'm at the kaki record.
Like, it's not like, you know,
I
like
understand,
before.
Inga. But you're looking
I'm looking big.
You're looking very, very successful. Oh my God.
You don't kill me with that one, no.
No, you're looking successful.
I don't understand.
No, you're looking
Madam.
Yeah, you're looking madamish. You know, you look very madamish.
It's bad. I don't like the way I look, honestly.
No, but I don't understand. You're counting
No, just to confirm it.
so that
No, there are times even the money is not yours, you just hold it and
To
then
console
you count,
yourself?
Just to console yourself.
ma, release
Just
Release
to console
it.
yourself.
release it. You were looking for where to get photos from.
Struggle. You went through your wall.
I went through my old videos.
I was going
I actually like it. Made me look younger because
Than
I'm
me.
actually young. Not than you, but younger than I am right now.
So you
Younger than I
posted
am.
that one and you think everybody believe that that's you.
It's me. I live on a Vincent a picture and a video. No, they post. This
I
is
don't
my best
understand.
friend.
Leave me
They hold
alone. By the time I want to
They hold me. Look at my life. Best friend. This is my.
These
own.
are real friends. Real friends. No pedicure, no manicure, no lashes.
Wait, let me
Real
rate
friends. Real friends.
Manage, I'm good.
You're not managing.
God, they give me my own
You're
level.
You're not managing. Oh, you know, wait, no, let me see. Let me see now.
They hold me.
I don't
like this.
understand. I'm actually looking better than you do. Look at me now. Check the bag now.
They hold me.
Is there anything? So,
You are a married woman, for
Married
God's sake.
fire.
Why are you like that?
you
But
mean
wait,
I'm married
by the
also?
way, did your husband know?
He doesn't even know that. Me. If I do, I'll tell that.
That's how my life be.
He
Look
get
at the
one-
dog
and he
that
get
is
one
backing
leg,
up.
and the thing get one leg.
Look at this dog.
The dog
The
is
dog that
one-legged.
is backing at me. Look at my friend.
I'm actually looking good. I don't care. Like, I don't give a fuck. I'm fine. I'm just fine. I'm fine. I'm just a serving corps member. I'm fine. I'm managing my life. I'm trying.
But normally, everybody looks better during their youth service. What's up with you, my friend?
I don't understand. Look better as in like
No, look
what?
better than you used to look better than this, like way
No,
better
the
than
truth
this.
is, the truth is, this is not time for too much enjoyment. This is time for investment and not.
Be having that
Be
having that suffer.
No, I've actually cut down so many things.
Be having
about
that
myself.
suffer head life. No,
it's
worry.
not-
No, you know what happened to me? God forgive me. Let me whisper to you when I'm stuffing it. There's this nice spot that just opened here. Asaba is rapidly
Village
developing. Village Square. Let me show you guys how it looks. Asaba is doing really well. Oh, and one log gate. It's really nice. I don't want to go in there for a bottle or something. They'll tell you.
Asaba is developing fast. And I think the other side is the local spots where they have their village, whatever. We could go and see, but what next time, Jerry? Look at me, my face is just swelling up. Since I started going out to work out, like I started to gain
You really added
weight.
though.
I started to gain weight.
I don't know.
And I'm complaining to the
definition of-
instructor. I don't know. Like I've been complaining to the instructor, the gym instructor. I'm gaining weight. I can see that. He kept on telling me it's normal.
Like, what are you really gymming for? What are you?
Exactly. I want to lose weight. Like I want to lose belly fat, and I want to lose general weight. Like I just want to lose some weight here.
Your head.
My arms, yeah. I want to lose some there, and then my tummy. My tummy is not really a problem anymore. I'm getting there, but I'm generally gaining weight. Generally gaining weight. Be agreeing with me instead of to console me.
The good thing is, I will always tell you the truth. See, if you have a friend and both of you are single, please enjoy your time together, because all of that will change the moment one of you or both of you get married. That becomes the end of spending quality time together. We have been, we used to spend quality time together. She would have come to visited me in Ghana by now, if not that she's married. Things have really changed since she got married. She don't have much time, and me, I just withdrawed because I don't want to be too much in her life as a married woman. It just happened naturally. I just wanted to respect her privacy. Because of that, we've not really had quality time to spend together. Today, she came all the way from Abia to meet me here in Asaba. Me being away from home, which is Accra, she being away from her new home, which is Abia, coming here for us to just meet is good. Now we are using this time to do the things that we have been longing to do, like to spend quality time together, and we are starting with just taking a stroll down the streets, looking forward to buy affordable meals so that we can eat. We're just strolling, we're just trekking, buying street food, just buying cheap things that we can buy, that we can see. Right now, the cost of food in Nigeria has also gone up. Before, with 500 naira, you eat the best. With 1,000 naira, it means you are eating in a restaurant, a very good one. But things are no longer the same, and we're looking for somewhere affordable, just so that we can just be careless, just have whatever, just live our lives like the way we want it. And we spotted this place by the roadside. My friend is like me, and I'm like her. We're not ashamed, we are not shy, and of course, who are we? Just branch here, eat this meal here, and go back and sleep, so that we can both prepare to leave Asaba the following day. Because the reason she came here is just to see me, and the reason I came here is just to pick up something, and she and I will be leaving the same time back to our various places. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.